It's different when I'm sitting there alone all by myself. It's different when I think you might be with somebody. It's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different.
What is good, loves? I'm back with another hair review with Nadula Hair. This is Nadula's 13x4 pre-everything wig. So this wig comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. This is one of their bye-bye knots type of units. I got her in 20 inches and she comes with one comb in the back, no combs on the sides, but you do have your own adjustable band and you can adjust it to your desired liking. But so far so good, and the details of the wig looks very natural. They did an amazing job with just the construction and look. So now I'm just going to be taking a little bit of my lace tinting mousse and I'm just going to tint the lace so it can blend into my skin a little bit better, and then I'm going to let that dry for a quick little minutes. Put the wig on, try her on, see how she looks, and kind of customize it to my liking. So once I am done styling the wig, I'll be back with my final thoughts and commentary on this segment. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And also, if you're interested in the wig that I am wearing in this video, I will be sure to have the link down in the description below.
Myself caught in your crossfire. You are one, and I'm waiting, and you like it's cool. What I like is cool when you pull up with a new promise. Now that I know it was inside me, they recognize you. Please don't deny me. It's different when I'm sitting here alone all by myself. It's different when I think you might be with somebody. It's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's shit.
So here's the finished look, and the wig looks so natural. So after putting in my order, I did receive my wig within like 5 days. The wig was easy and simple to put on. All I had to do was just remove the little tabs off the tape, and I just added a few layers to the wig just to, you know, kind of frame the hair. Sprayed some water and just added a little bit of my anti-frizz cream by Aussie. I mean, I just love how they are making these wigs easy for us to put on, easy for us to install. I mean, this is a whole 13x4 wig and no glue was needed throughout the whole video. The hair is gorgeous and she got a lot of body. Definitely recommend, 10 out of 10. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.
Nadula.